Is it time for your cabin air filter to be replaced? Do you know how easy it is to just do it yourself? I'll show you how. Hey, what's up YouTube world? It's Ryan from Riding in Style. You know, a lot of us own cars that we invested a lot of money in, whether they're high performance, muscle cars, whatever you drive. The thing is, there's a lot of things that need to be maintained, and we can often forget about them. And so today, I'm just going to do a short video on how to replace one of the most easiest maintenance items, your cabin air filter. If you own a Dodge Charger or Challenger, this video is for you. The reason I'm making this video is because oftentimes, in an effort to want to take care of our vehicles, we get it serviced. And what ends up happening is the dealerships or any kind of service job or a company that you go to, they're always trying to upsell and get you to spend more money than you originally spent. And that's kind of what happened to me a couple of times already. They try to tell you that your cabin air filter is dirty and they can replace it to you for you, no problem. You know, they have it in stock. And yet it's like they try to charge you a premium just for the filter. And then they try to charge you for the labor to simply pull out the old one and insert the new one. So if you think that it's time to replace your cabin air filter, as simple as it is, let me just show you how quick and easy it is. It's actually located right inside of this here. I should have done a pre-record just to make sure. I don't want to expose any extra dirtiness, but this is in real time. And so by simply removing the two tabs here and removing the cover, this here, friends, is your cabin air filter. And I believe this is the one that came stock with the car. So I just ended up buying a new one. Your setup might be slightly different, but it's generally pretty much the same. So there's a little compartment here that it's located in, and it's literally just slid in there. And honestly, this air filter doesn't look too bad. So it's just one of those items that it's good to check every once in a while, dust it off, you know, take out any loose dust or debris. But I did go ahead and invest in another cabin air filter as well. So since I bought this one, I might as well just change it out anyway, because I'm not sure when that was last changed. This is a 2017. And this here was probably $10 or $15 on I think I just went to Amazon. And that's how easy it is. You get this in the mail, you take it out, make sure you put your year, make, and model to get the filter that fits your vehicle. So that's the old one there. Actually, in this lighting, it looks a lot worse. But this is the new one. There's an arrow to show you which way to put it in. Of course, it's made in China, like everything else is. So what you want to do is put the arrow facing the interior of your vehicle, as it tells you which way the airflow comes in. It's up to you if you want to invest in the more expensive name brand ones like K&N. They have some like carbon, like the charcoal, activated charcoal ones. It's up to you. The price ranges from $10. It can go up to even $50. But the reason I'm making this video again, guys, is because I'm seeing too many dealerships and service shops that are trying to overcharge people for a simple fix just like that. In less than a minute, you saw me in a few seconds swap out the old filter for the new one, and you're good for another, 6 months, maybe a year or so. Just check it every once in a while. And I guess I'm just kind of tired of people being taken advantage of because they make it seem so easy. They tell you they have it in stock, they can do it for you, but yet when you pick up your car and you look at the invoice, it's like, wow, I didn't realize it was going to cost me $50 or $60 just to do what I did right here. And then I'll just discard the old one in the box that the new one came in. EcoGuard, I mean, I don't know about the brands or anything. It was a good value. I read the reviews. I do want to put something that's good quality in my car, not just the cheapest, but I don't need to go K&N name brand either. All right, guys, if you thought this video was informational, maybe it could help you or someone you know save a few dollars here and there, leave a like. click that thumbs up button. Doesn't cost you anything. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I haven't been posting for a little while, and I apologize for that. But I do have a couple of videos coming up shortly, so if you want to get notified for those, hit the subscribe button. Again, doesn't cost you anything. I thank you for your time. This is Ryan from Riding in Style.
You